Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a lacy trim or edging which is worked in rows. We need to make the foundation, it's worked in long rows rather. It's not the short row pattern, it is worked in long rows. In the sense we need to make the desired length of the chain in multiples of 4 and begin the pattern. Okay, and this particular small motif I have used 32 chains and I worked this motif with Hobby Store Aran Premium Acrylic Anti-Pale yarn, and which is a 5-ply yarn. And I use my Clover 6 mm hook for foundation chains and 5 mm hook for my main work. So let's go into the video without any delay. Chain multiples of 4. I shall make a required number of chains and get back. I have made 32 chains. Now yarn over and place a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. I am going to work in the back bump 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now chain 2, skip 2, place 1 double crochet in the next and one in the next, like one each in each of the next 2 chains. Again chain 2, skip 2, 1 double crochet each in each of the next 2 chains. Continue the stitch repeat till the end and get back. I have completed row 1. Now you may either chain 3 and turn, or turn and place a double crochet, standing twisted double crochet on the first double crochet here. Now chain 1, place a V stitch, DC, chain 1 DC and chain 2 space. Again chain 1, next chain 2 space, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. So continue the stitch repeat for row 2. At the end of row 2, after chaining 1, place a double crochet on the turning chain, on top of the turning chain. So you may chain 3 and turn, or turn and make a standing twisted double crochet. And then place 3 double crochets in chain 1 space of the V stitches. So every V stitch of row 2 is going to have 3 doubles, group of 3 doubles. There is no chain space in between. So continue the stitch repeat for row 3 till the end. At the end of row 3, after the last group of 3 DCs, make a double crochet on top of the 3rd chain or the DC. Now you may chain 1 and turn and place a single crochet on the very first DC here, and in the center DC of every 3 DC group, place 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, chain 4, slip stitch to the 4th chain, that is the very first chain you made of the 4 chains. So 1 picot is made, 4 chain picot is made. Now 1 double crochet, all in the same stitch, and a single crochet. So I shall make one more. There is no chain in between. Just go over to the middlemost double crochet of the 3DC group, make a single crochet, then a double, then a 4 chain picot, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch the very first chain here, again a double and a single crochet. Continue this stitch repeat all through. At the end, place a last single crochet on the last stitch and fasten off. So this particular lace can be made to any length that we require, but we have to chain the so many number of chains required for the length. We have to calculate and chain that many number in multiples of 4 and work the pattern. It is just a 4-row pattern. That's it. So thank you friends for viewing this video. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe, like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. I shall be back with yet another edging or trim or a pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.